Today's prompt is framed. Welcome to Junk Journal July. I am beginning today's spread, or page I should say, using a page from my digital kit called Flowers in France. As you can see, it's got a sketched image on it with a frame around it. And I absolutely love this image. I think it's so unique, and I think it's perfect for this prompt. While I'm cutting it to size and gluing it on the paper, I will tell you that Junk Journal July and Junk Journal January are hosted by Meg Journals and co-hosted by Get Messy Art. They are both linked in my description box if you want to check them out. If you want to follow along, you can use the hashtag Junk Journal July, and you can use your filters. You know, when you go to type in the search bar the hashtag, then once they pop up, on the left-hand side, there's a little thing, and it's for how to filter it out. And you can filter for this week, this month, this year, and I'm sure there's more choices. But I wanted to let you know that, and that way you can follow along the prompt, but you can stay current with it. You can find the list of prompts on Meg's YouTube channel as well as her Instagram channel. I have chosen matching red scrapbook paper to create a pocket to put on the bottom of the page. Let's go ahead and add a little something to that pocket so it's not just sitting there all plain and lonely. I have chosen a coordinating piece of pink scrapbook paper, a little scrap from the previous spread, and I'm adding that. And then on top of that, I'm going to use a piece of scrap from the pink paper that has the little red flowers on it. I'm going to put that on there. And then I'm going to use a butterfly to just add a nice splash of color. Now I'm going to choose a tag to put inside of this pocket, and this page is done. I appreciate you joining me today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.